install Geforce now on Mac. So let's get started. Now what you have to do is just go to your browser and search up Geforce download. Click on the first link, and then if you scroll down here, you're gonna see the different options. We're gonna go ahead and click download on Mac, and then the download is gonna start. Now once you have downloaded it, what you're gonna do is just go ahead and open it up. Then you're gonna drag it into the applications folder. You're just gonna wait for it, it's gonna copy it. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and close this, and then just go ahead and head to Launchpad and search up Geforce now. Just gonna wait for it to open. Just gonna wait for it. Click on open. Allow. And then once it's opened, what you have to do is you obviously have to sign in. So click on agree and continue. Then you can just get in. And then once you're signed in, then you can browse the games and stream them. The game actually runs on NVIDIA's server and streams to your Mac. So yeah, that's gonna obviously make a big difference. Oh yeah, I have to log in. It's gonna take you to the browser, and then you have to log in there. And there you go. This is the login panel. Just go ahead, log in. If you have an account, log in. Otherwise, you can also sign up here. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.